Welcome to the Ruffled Daisy. Today we're gonna pull out all those old Easter eggs that are plastic and we are going to make some acorns for fall. These are so cute. You can use any size you want. I just used the, probably it's the most common size. It actually looks like a real egg size. We're going to just glue the pieces together, that way they don't come apart, and that is what I'm doing right here. Next, we're gonna take some paint, and chalk paint is going to work best because it is not going to flake off as much as regular acrylic paint will look. And you can tell the brown, I needed to add a little bit of white too, and you're gonna see that here to give it just a little bit more color because it was a little bit see-through on these in the beginning. So I am just putting my coat of paint on the bottom part. We don't need to do the top part, and getting it dry, and then we'll move to the next step. Now we're going to use some twine and do the top part of the acorn. You can see that I left some twine hanging out that I did not glue down, and that is just going to create the little stem. Just going around in a circle, you're going to just glue and twist and glue and twist until you have the entire top of the Easter egg covered with twine. Now I'm just adding a little bit of color to the acorns themselves. I added just dry brushed some orange color and some aqua color just to give it a little bit more character and give it a little bit more dimension so they didn't just look like plastic painted eggs. These turned out adorable. This project was so fun and so easy, and best of all, so cheap. If you love this DIYs and like all things creative for your home, please visit my website at theruffleddaisy.org. Thank you so much for watching today.